definitely one of the hottest and one of the most in-demand actors in the industry. Tall, dark, and handsome. He's the epitome of every woman's fantasy. Truly, we just can't get enough of Derek Ramsey. Pero bukod sa pagiging isa sa mga pinakamakisig na leading man sa showbiz, isa rin si Derek sa mga pinaka-kontrobersyal na aktor sa ngayon. At lalo pang naging mainit ang kanyang pangalan nang makarelasyon niya ang sexy and controversial actress na si Angelica Panganiban.
I've grown a lot with Angel. 5 years, I've learned a lot from someone younger than me. We remain strong because we face each intriga. We don't dwell on the issue. Move on to the next one kasi marami pang darating.
Hindi lang minsan, kundi ilang ulit na rin sinubok ang samahan nila ni Angelica. Lalo pa nang lumabas ang isyong secretly married na si Derek sa isang modelo at meron na daw silang anak.
There was something that came out about that, but my lawyers took care of all of that. And Angel and I, that issue was dead when Angel and I stepped in front of the camera and told them, hey, you know, we're not affected by this issue and we're gonna face it head on. If I have a child with this woman, that's what we're still sorting out and finding out. I said, if meron mga ganun, wala akong problema sa test. And yeah, you guys know me already for how long. So that's all I have to say about that.
Kahit super busy at kahit maraming intrigang humahadlang sa kanilang pagsasama, ay inamin ni Derek na masaya siya with Angel.
Magkasama na kami forever. Tanggapin niyo na yun. We're very good. As you can see, Angel and I were in our own world. Yung mga pictures nga that were taken, yung mga candid shots. Nakikilig ako pag tinitignan ko kasi I can see that I'm happy and I can see that she's happy. So, oo, walang katotohanan na hindi kami magkasama, no? And then next year, yung big trip namin, we're gonna go to London. It's a great opportunity to kill two birds with one stone. Show her where I grew up, where I went to school. Yun ang gusto niya, yun daw dream niya. And then at the same time, makapunta pa kami sa Olympics and watch the best athletes in the world.
Pero hindi lang pala si Derek ang nagmamahal kay Angel dahil pati ang parents niya ay gustong-gusto ang aktres.
Ako, hindi ako pinapahiran ng mga diamante ng babae ng nanay ko. Pagdating ko sa Star Magic Ball, kislap-kislap ng mga suot ni Angel. Sabi ko, saan mo na kuhin? Mami mo? Huh? I was like, wag mo na solian, ha? I find it so amazing that everything's so perfect, you know? Yeah, and every time I talk to my dad, he always ends the conversation with, send my love to Angel.
Ibig bang sabihin nito ay kasal na lang talaga ang kulang sa kanila ni Angel?
We just have other things that we want to do with our career. We want to see the world. And when you get married, that changes everything. Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan, pero marami pa rin kaming gustong gawin bago mangyari yan.
Relasyon na sa kabila ng mga intriga, talagang grabe talaga ang tibay-tibay, no?
Yeah, at gusto ko sinabi ni Derek, sabi niya, forever na kami ni Angel. Diba?
Oo.
Parang almost as if like engaged na sila or something.
Pero ang mas open sa pakikipaglaban sa nakikita natin si Angel, hindi natin nakikita yung pakikipaglaban ni Derek, ginagawa niya yun.
Palaban talaga yun.
Sobra.
Siguro kwento mo, Chrissy, kahit wherever in the world talaga sumusunod.
Sumusunod si Angel, umahanap
Are you
siya ng
surprised?
pagkakataon talaga. Kakatok siya doon sa hotel room, makikita ni Derek walang makeup, nakapusod. Alam mo yung talagang nag-sneak out lang sa trabaho para siya bigyan ng
Kaya
importansya.
siguro,
kasal talaga.
kaya gusto nung parents ni Derek si Angel siguro, no?
Tanggap na tanggap siya.
Oo.
Sobrang tanggap.
Pahiramin ba naman ng mga heirloom na
Oo.
gano'n?
At saka, si Derek naman, kahit nag-aral at lumaki sa ibang bansa, kulturang Pinoy pa rin yung nasa kanya. Napaka-Pinoy na Pinoy pa rin niya.
Pero let's talk about chismis dito, Christy, kasi sa Juicy sinasabi natin paminsan-minsan na si Derek parang hindi na happy sa kanyang network na ABS dahil yun nga sa issue na kinasal siya dati. Do you know kung si Derek pa rin is very unhappy sa ABS?
Hindi niya sinasabi na hindi na ako maligaya sa ABS-CBN. Kino-question lang niya kung bakit kailangan na kung saan siya kontratadong network, doon magsimula yung mga kwento tungkol sa kanya. Nangihingi lang siya ng proteksyon. Pero hindi niya sinasabing na I'm not happy anymore. Parang
Mga
ganun.
project pa naman natin sa ABS.
Always naman kasi isa siya sa biggest stars dito. Pero hindi ko alam kung may personal galit nga, di ba? Sa network o hindi. Di ba?
Okay. Basta, matibay ang kanilang relasyon. Yun lang yun, di ba?
Kasala na lang
Subok
ang
na subok.
abangan natin.
At para naman po mas magpalaganap ng kagandahan, narito na po siya, Miss Rufa Gutierrez.
Thank you very much, Tita Christy. I would like to thank Steven Deloso for my makeup. Chef Aramin for my hair, 10 minutes. Thank you very much. Thanks to my stylist, Aliana Martinez. Eric De Los Santos for this beautiful dress I'm wearing today. And of course, thank you to Julby Dizon, Alex Carbonell, Dr. Vicky Bello, 819 Bello, Dr. Vivian Sarabia, Fresh Look One Day Contact Lenses, Avon Fashions and Accessories, Jet Sam, Jet Holiday, Azure Urban Resort Residences, Century Properties, and of course, thank you to Italianis and Fridays for the GCs. And follow me on Twitter, I love Rufa G. Michelle Pamintuan, happy birthday. And also, thanks to CMG and happy birthday to it's Michelle Pamintuan, Jimmy, but thank you. Anyway, it was only last week when we broke the news that Susan Placer, young husband, has finally joined our creator, having the young husbands orphaned. She will definitely be missed by her children and her family for living a full and meaningful life. Paparazzi shares us a special feature on Phil and James' young husbands. And, of course, to the young husbands, our deepest condolences. Please watch this.
Sabado ng gabi nung pumanaw ang ina ng pamosong football players na sina James and Phil young husband. Agad-agad na bumalik ang magkapatid na nasa Bacolod noon nung malaman ang balita.
Our deepest condolences to Phil and James' young husband for the passing of their mom, si Susan, plus their young husband.
Sa libing ng kanilang ina nung Huwebes na umaga, nakiramay ang mga malalapit na kaibigan ni na Phil at James. Kasama ng napapabalitang girlfriend ni Phil, ang magaling na aktres na si Angel Locsin. Kitang-kitang suporta ng dalaga kina Phil at sa mga young husband. Naging mailap man sa pagpapaunlak ng interview sa mga press people si Angel at ang mga kasamahan ni Phil and James sa Ascals